You notice how some people that have solar power or they're using a power inverter have all these cords running all over the floor. Do you want to live like that? Do you want to have that? So today I'm unboxing this bad boy. It hooks up to your service panel. Stay tuned. Hey YouTube, welcome back. All right, this is here finally. Got it from Amazon again. People ask me all the time, where can I get this? Can you send me the link? Can you do this? Can you do this? What I'm doing right now is I'm creating an Amazon account so I can have a store. I'm not going to be selling any products. They're not my products, but they're the products that I've used here that actually work really good. So if you see any products from here on out, I'll always put the link where you can get this stuff in my store in the description below or in the pinned in the first comment. Today I want to talk about this power inverter we got. It's not the most expensive and it's not the least expensive. And I'm talking about the hookup to your actual service panel. I haven't looked at it. I've read some reviews. It was over a 4-star review on this. So I'm kind of curious how it looks, how it's going to work, if the lugs for the AC terminals that you plug into your sub panel or your service panel, if you're completely off grid, how it'll all tie in, because if the lugs are not big enough, it can't support the gauge of wire that I need or want. This is a 4,000 watt RMS. Everybody uses the word continuous power. It's a pure sine. So if you look on an oscilloscope, you know, this is all in phase. So that's good too. When people ask me, what does the peak actually mean? If you ever start like a motor up or like a refrigerator or something like that, where it has that real long chug, that's where it goes to peak power. Another thing, the old filament light bulbs, screw them in, turn on, turn off, right? Filament, old school. The reason why they always pop when you first start them on or turn them on is because the filament gets a surge of energy and it pops it, the filament. Something I know. But let's get to it. Get out my handy dandy knife. Let's see what this thing's all about. There, take out my danger glasses. I don't know. Sometimes, I tell you. Nicely packaged. Taped all the way around. So that's a good thing. This is a real unboxing, guys. I haven't seen this or heard about it or any reviews on it. I'm not going to give a review on it right now. I'll give it a review on like the terminals and stuff like that and what comes in the box. But I'm going to wait until I actually hook it up, run it, have some time with it, and tell you more about it. I have 2 other power inverters in there. One is 2,000 watt. Another one's just a small little 750. I'll talk about those more later. So we have an owner's manual. We have some wires. Okay. We have some fuses. Sorry guys. You should be looking at this, not me. Well, we all should, I guess. Okay, so what we got in here? We got a ground wire. That's not that thick. Probably 16 gauge with an alligator clip. Yep. Whatever. Use a bigger wire. At least probably a 12. Whoa. Fuses. Here's some battery cables. That's interesting. Oh. Guess what this is? This is a wrench. But guess what this is for? Junk drawer. Or if you have friends at Christmas time and you have all these little junky ratchets and everything else and they don't really have a tool and they're always telling you, can you come over and fix this? Hey buddy, here's a Christmas present. Cables. They're 8 gauge, but they're 2 together. So 4, I guess you want to call them. It's kind of neat, nifty, I guess. At least they're stranded and they're not solid. That would suck. Let's see what size of fuses they are. They look like they're all the exact same size. And they are, God, I'm old. 40 amperes. 40 amp fuses. But you know what? I'll save those for a rainy day. I have a whole bunch of fuses in the house. So, how do we get this thing out? Oh, yeah, can't forget this. This is what everybody needs. It's a remote to turn this on. Let me check something real fast. Get that crap out of the way. Look at here. Right here. On and off. You lazy? Stop. Just stop. Get off your... Okay. All right. Here's the lugs. Here's the grounding wire. Not too big. That's going to be interesting. That's the AC terminal. And you guys can see my finger. Better yet. This is for the batteries. This is how much power it's taking. These two big fat wires. How? So what can I hook this up to? A 20 amp circuit onto the panel? Not cool. Again, this is not the most expensive one out there. So we're gonna see. I'm gonna read up on it because I don't know the technicalities, details on it. But let me go over the other part. I know these from reading about it in the description box that they sold, Amazon had of it. These are 20 amps, and that's what I need. But 20, 40, 60, 80. 80 amps wire that would take to run that, wouldn't run that. You can't hook it up with 80 amp wire. It would never fit in there. So either you take away part of the wire on your wire that you would need, because you probably need a 4 gauge on this, and you make it smaller. What that does is it takes the circular mills away from the wire. And if you're an electrician, you understand. If you're not, make it simple terms. You're trying to go, let's say on a 1-inch hose, you go down to a 1/4 inch hose. You're not going to get the same volume. You get a lot of pressure. There's going to be a lot of heat from here, but there won't be the flow. Because remember, electricity is a flow of electrons. But again, I digress. So we'll see how this works. I might have to be doing another unboxing because I'm going to buy a big one if the lugs are bigger. And I'll make sure I find out the lugs. But your off, on-off switches right here. Type-C charging. I don't know. 2 USB ports. Probably more common Type-C. But I think, I don't know. I'm confused. I'm not up on the whole Type-C, Type whatever, charge controllers. Your lugs. You gotta be shitting me. These things actually have a bolt on them. With a little plastic nut on top of it. Cheap. Okay, here's the little nut. Put those on there. Bring your battery power. So, I guess it has a digital display. Once I get it up and running, like I said before, we'll get it going. I'll do a full review on it. But thanks for watching, guys. Special. We'll see how it works. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care of each other. Hello to my old subscribers. Hello to my new ones. Thanks for watching. If you're not part of the crazy family, yeah, we are one big crazy family. Anyway, subscribe. Might be kind of a wild trip. Whoa. Forethought, well, 3,800, probably I would. On your, goddamn fucking gnat flew in my eye. Son of a bitch. Okay, I'm kind of hot. Sorry. Oh, fuck me, brother. All right.